How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Syracuse Aviation, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today, I'm not sure what it is, but this is kind of a spur-in-the-moment type of thing. So basically, I've been writing Breeze Airways and, just about the services out of Syracuse just because I had nothing to do, and I figured this would be kind of a cool thing to do. And actually, something similar happened to Red River Aviation with AHA. And they sent him a model, so that could be what this is, but basically this is a box that has my name on it from Cottonwood Heights, where Breeze is located, their headquarters. So this is kind of a shock to me. This is just something I would have never expected. So I have some guests with me here today. I'm going to bring them on in a Discord group chat, so I'm going to bring them in here and see if they have any words to say. So I'll undeafen here. Okay, guys, if you would like to say hi, I know Aviation JXXX has joined.
Hello, everyone. What's up?
Hello, everybody.
Okay, so there they are. Jay, have you kind of heard the story?
No, actually.
So, Breeze, I think, sent me a package here, because I wrote them a letter, so I'm kind of live streaming this, if you will. So I'm gonna have you guys watch live as well. Can you see this okay?
Yes. Oh wait, quick question. Are you recording the video right now, or?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. You almost made it sound like it wasn't going.
No, I am. So this is a big box, too. I was just watching the Syracuse versus Virginia football game, and Dad comes in my room and says, "There's something here for you," and he gave me the box. I read the label, and it said Cottonwood Heights, which is Breeze's headquarters, so this would be a cool thing to unbox, I figured. Very hard to get into, but that's perfectly fine. Alright. Oh my gosh. Literally, Breeze. The friggin' best airline in the world, guys, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. A handwritten message, too. Or, I don't know if it's handwritten, just at least my name is handwritten. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh my god, that's so awesome.
So, okay.
Wow.
Okay. I'm crapless right now. Let's open this letter. Okay. Dear Anderson, thank you so much for your note about potential routes from SYR. I'm impressed by your knowledge of traveler demand out of your region, and I appreciate your mixture of weekly frequencies and aircraft types to match capacity and demand. While we won't be adding all of these routes in the near future, I definitely could see us adding some of them. You understand our business model well and how we look for underserved routes. It sounds like you have a strong interest in the aviation industry. I am biased, but I think this is the most interesting field in the world if you love to travel. Maybe a network planning internship could be in your future. Hope to see you on some Breeze flights out of SYR. Best, Lucas Johnson, Breeze Airways Chief Commercial Officer. So I'll show that to the guys.
That is so cool.
There.
That's literally really cool.
I know.
This is heavy,
when you
dude.
get those kinds of messages, that just shows that they're going above and beyond.
Absolutely. So huge thank you to Breeze Airways. This is incredible. Definitely did not have to do this. This, again, yeah, as JJ is saying, this goes to show they're really going above and beyond with their service, and this is just something that's, I mean, to even get a reply would be nice, let alone send a model aircraft. This is beautiful. November 1990 Bravo Zulu. Wow.
Beautiful Embraer.
It absolutely is. Once again, huge thank you, Breeze Airways. Go ahead, JJ.
And I think, looks like a Skymarks model, but I didn't see any obvious Skymarks branding on it.
It is It's a Darren. Is that some kind of... Is that who owns Skymarks or what? I'm not too big on this kind of brand. So, yeah.
Do I see an Alexa? Alexa.
No. Sorry. Alright. Wow, this thing is solid plastic. This is super nice. So, Ethan, for context, Breeze Airways sent me a model. Oh, this is nice. Okay. This is so... What scale is this? 1 to 100, so an Embraer 195. This is
now,
the nicest thing.
I would like to suggest to you that you should get the 1 to 200 Embraer 195.
I know, dude. Now I oh man. Now I have to. Guys,
And
again.
we sent you for free?
Yes.
Awesome.
So this goes to show how amazing of an airline Breeze is, how incredible service they have, and how much they really go above and beyond and care about customer service. Because, I mean, this kind of a thing is just, I mean, wow. I wrote these letters to some airlines just for fun, even if I wasn't expecting a response. And again, just to get a response in general was amazing, let alone a flippin' solid plastic, beautiful aircraft. So, huge thank you, Breeze. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are able to, hopefully expand and continue growth with your airline. I really appreciate this. So there's the engines now. Sorry guys, I'll show you a good view.
Look at that. That's amazing.
This thing's huge,
That's so
man.
cool.
This thing is, it's heavy too. This thing is,
Really?
it's like crazy. Okay, so I'm
Quick
gonna...
question: do you have the horizontal stabilizers attached?
They are in this bag that I'm about to pull out. And I also have a Gemini Jets Embraer 195 in the Breeze livery for reference as well, which is very applicable at this current time.
Yes, and 1 to 400.
So we're gonna put
I imagine the size difference is probably quite significant.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So also guys, I wouldn't recommend going out of your way and harassing Breeze with all the, a bunch of letters asking them for a free model. I mean, you can, but I just wouldn't advise it. I don't want to, that may not be...
Don't harass them for free models.
Yes, yeah.
But what if my name's Ron going, I want a free model? Because I'm a YouTuber.
That is not applicable, sir. I'll tell you that.
No, but
Okay.
I'm a YouTuber. Come on.
We all are.
I mean...
Alright, I'm not going to start that debate.
I mean, we all are, aren't we?
This is true. I don't disagree with that.
I'm like extremely famous, though.
I'm
Sorry.
basically MIA, so...
Okay.
Yeah, basically, man.
Whoa. Set the packaging off to the side for a brief
Coming to
moment.
Miami, the first thing I think about is, oh yeah, TPA.
Set this on the stand. This is absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna go grab the Gemini Jets Breeze Embraer 195. That's pretty snug. So give me about 5 seconds here. There she is, sitting at Syracuse model. Oh yeah. So...
Tiny. Oh, look at the little baby.
This is just...
Holy crap. I thought that was going to be slightly bigger, but my god, that is incredible.
Isn't it?
And what's the scale?
1 to 100?
1 to 100 is what it is.
Yes, that's exactly
Really?
right.
And it's not much of a difference.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're... Okay, so the Gemini model, I forgot, is 190 Bravo Zulu as well, so... Wow.
Oh, that's crazy.
Wow, okay. So, yeah, once again to Breeze Airways, a huge thank you, guys. I appreciate everything you've done for travelers and airports. You guys have been amazing so far. Keep up the good work. Thank you again for doing this. Best of luck to you guys in your endeavors, and definitely always continue to strive to do what you've been doing, as it's been working very well, and people definitely appreciate you if you guys couldn't tell, which hopefully you have been able to. So once again, yes, a huge thank you to Breeze Airways. So I guess that'll conclude this video. I will see you guys later. If you guys on the group voice chat want to say goodbye, go ahead.
Thanks for watching this video.
Leave a like and comment down below if you feel to.
And subscribe.
All right. Excellent. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.